Are you looking for the best mini fridges? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini fridges on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GE Double Door Mini Fridge. If you're on the hunt for a reliable mini fridge, the GE Double Door Mini Fridge is an excellent pick. Having tested many GE fridges over the years, known for their outstanding temperature consistency and uniform cooling, we're confident recommending this model. This compact yet versatile unit features a separate freezer compartment on top, offering ample storage space, including door compartments. The refrigerator section is thoughtfully designed, complete with a clear crisper drawer, adjustable shelving, and a convenient can rack built into the door. Need more space? The glass shelves are removable, making it easy to store larger soda bottles or stack beer cans to your heart's content. For added convenience, the interior light automatically turns on when the door is opened, ensuring easy access even in low-light settings. A quick note, GE advises against using this appliance outdoors or in garages, so you'll need to find a spot for it indoors. Specs at a glance. Type, midsize with freezer. Weight, 56 pounds. Dimensions, 33 3/8 inches by 18 3/4 inches by 20 1/8 inches. Capacity, 3.1 Cu.ft. For its functionality, design, and dependable cooling, the GE Double Door Mini Fridge is a great option for dorms, offices, or small apartments. Number 2. Midea 1.1 Cu.ft Mini Fridge. Whether you're working from home and want your prebiotic sodas within arm's reach or need a shared spot for refreshments in the office conference room, a compact mini fridge like the Midea Cube is an excellent choice. With a small footprint and 1.1 cubic feet of capacity, this fridge is ideal for tight spaces. Despite its modest size, it features 2 spacious shelves and an adjustable thermostat, allowing you to keep items perfectly chilled to your liking. Need to store taller items? Simply remove the wire shelf to make room for a water filter pitcher, large bottles of seltzer, or other oversized essentials. This Midea fridge has received rave reviews from users, boasting over 5,600 5-star ratings on Amazon. Customers frequently praise it as their best investment, thanks to its practicality and ideal size. Specs at a glance. Type, cube without a freezer. Weight, 30.6 pounds. Dimensions, 17.7 inches by 18.6 inches by 19.4 inches. Capacity, 1.1 Cu.ft. For its compact design, customizable interior, and stellar reputation, the Midea Cube Mini Fridge is a fantastic solution for personal or shared spaces. Number 3. COSTWAY Compact Refrigerator. The ultimate dorm bedroom edition, this COSTWAY option is just like your regular fridge, only smaller. Reviewers even say it's just as quiet, which is great if you're trying to get plenty of sleep before finals. It has a separate freezer, an ice tray, a crisper drawer, a can rack and shelving on the door, and an internal thermometer so you can easily adjust the temperature. The glass shelves are adjustable to make room for tall items and removable for easy cleaning. This mini fridge also comes in 3 different colors, black, stainless steel and white, to match your bedroom or dorm room's aesthetic. Note that some Amazon reviews found that the fridge didn't last as long. Type, midsize with freezer. Weight, 52 pounds. Dimensions, 19.5 inches by 19 inches by 34 inches. Capacity, 3.2 cubic foot. Number 4. Galanz Retro Compact Refrigerator. The Galanz Retro Compact Refrigerator stands out as one of the largest and most stylish options in the mini fridge category. With a roomy interior, it offers 3 levels of storage, plenty of door compartments, and even a dedicated can rack for added convenience. While this mini fridge doesn't include a full freezer, it does feature a small chiller compartment perfect for freezing a compact ice cube tray. Available in retro-inspired red, black, and green, and with 5 different size options, this fridge can fit seamlessly into a variety of spaces. If the 3.3 cubic foot model doesn't meet your needs, you can explore smaller or larger alternatives. Note, during setup, we found the handle a bit tricky to attach and not as sturdy as we'd like, so keep that in mind if aesthetics are a priority. Specs at a glance. Type, mid-sized. Weight, 46 pounds. Dimensions, 17.6 inches by 21.02 inches by 35.43 inches. Capacity, 3.3 Cu.ft. For its spacious interior, retro charm, and customizable size options, the Galanz Retro Compact Refrigerator is an eye-catching choice for dorm rooms, offices, or kitchenettes. Number 5. hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. While many mini fridges are great for storing beverages, the hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler truly excels in this category. With a generous capacity to store up to 120 cans, this mini fridge is a top-tier option for dedicated drink storage. You can also adjust the shelves to accommodate bottles or tall cans, giving it added versatility. The standout feature? Its sleek glass door allows you to see what's inside without opening the fridge, making it easy to keep track of your drink supply and show off your selection to guests. Other notable features include a white LED interior light for visibility, easy touch temperature controls, and an auto-defrost function to reduce maintenance hassle. One of our editors recently added this model to their basement and reported excellent performance. However, some Amazon reviewers noted that items placed against the back wall of the fridge tended to freeze slightly, something to keep in mind when organizing your beverages. Specs at a glance. Type, cube. Weight, 68 pounds. Dimensions, 17.3 inches by 18.9 inches by 33.3 inches. Capacity, 3.2 Cu.ft. For its spacious capacity, customizable shelving, and stylish glass door design, the hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler is an excellent choice for home bars, game rooms, or entertainment spaces.